Hi, so this is the car I told you about, the Peugeot 407. It finally came back after the reparations were done on it, after the little accident I had. There's still a few things to do. It apparently leaks probably at the injector seals, and we also have some electrical issues. These sensors that are newly placed are not connected properly, and also when it comes to the radio and the display, it doesn't work, so we're gonna have to fix that. Before we do, I want to clean it a bit on the outside and especially on the inside, to clean it a bit at the engine and take it for a spin to see if we can figure out where it leaks exactly. So we have cleaned the outside and side as much as we could. The product we used for the inside is this. So yeah, and this. We got the more pressing issues. First I gotta change this battery with a better one. This is going to turn in a change battery channel. Okay, but first of all let's put some windshield liquid that's more appropriate for winter. This is the one. I don't think you have to put it too much. I'll come back after it's done because I cannot do it with only one hand. So on every car you can recognize where you should put this liquid by this over here. It's pretty obvious. This is a windshield. As you can see, this is inflammable, so be careful. I spilled some of it around here, so before we proceed I should, for safety reasons, I should clean it. Okay, I took this off. I don't know if I was so stupid that I pulled too strongly, but these ones broke off immediately, like very easily. Okay, hello again. And so what's been happening is that I basically somehow broke the common rail on the Peugeot. Thankfully my uncle came and he got really pissed that I tried to see where the fuel leaks myself at the injector seals, but he gave me another common rail, a new one. So we took it from wasn't ever used. We took it from a random van that we had laying around, another Peugeot Boxer, and then we put it on and we thought everything was fine. After that though, check this out. This, I don't know if you can see it, but this now, where the new common rail has been attached, is definitely leaking. Right here at the hose, I think if you can maybe see that the hose don't fit properly. This one was getting out did get out extremely easily. It definitely didn't fit properly. So let's try and change it with the new one. I'm lucky. The whole problem was from the beginning the common rail. If I'm not, then I may fix this issue now, but the first one persists. I already butchered this because I wasn't able to take them out properly, and this is very dangerous because if you mess this up, probably the car won't start anymore. But next time you do, just try to push it from here, from the top with a screwdriver or something. You'll hear a click and then it will go out easily. Don't be an idiot like me. Don't push it from the side or anywhere else. Do it from the top. Another thing, I don't know if you have to unplug the battery whenever you do work around here, but I did, just to be safe. The last thing I wish is to get bloody, to get a bit electrocuted. That would suck. Guys, I don't know if I can do it alone, so I brought an expert. Where are you going, sir? Sir, tell me, how is it? Okay, let's try this out. Okay, so I pushed this as much as I could and I used a bit of the solution. So hopefully now it is sealed tight. I placed them all for backup. This one though, the third one, do you hear that? Huh. Now not so much, but it wasn't placed properly for some reason. None of these four, like this fourth, second and the first, when you press on them you hear nothing, but on this one, yeah. Did you hear that? After some time, if you wait a bit, it will just go back up for some reason. I need to be very careful with this one. Okay, let's continue. As I was cleaning on this, another expert came to me. Ooh. There she is. There she is. This is called long legs. Long legs is expecting my work. What do you think? Yeah, I know. I put them back, but and now the third one doesn't make the weird sound anymore. Wipe my face. But yeah, yes, I know. We still need to try it out to see if it works. Yeah. Wish me luck, long legs. What do you think in your expert opinion? Yeah, I know. On that note, thank you very much for watching.